Hi, today I'm going to show you how to send your Shopify orders to Google Sheets. I'm using Mesa, the very fun automation tool. So I'm going to start from scratch and show you how to build it. So you want to log into your dashboard, come over here to the builder. Shopify is your trigger tool. You want to start when the order is created. And scroll up. You can customize it by adding additional fields. I'm not going to do that right now, but you do have some other options for other things you want to add to the fields. So I'm just going to click done. Again, you've got more settings here. You can change the name of the workflow. You can change how you want to handle failed steps. If you want to get into a lot of detail, you could test it. And then I'm going to add a condition. So what is it going to check for? And I'm going to start by having it do a loop because I want this step to affect every single product. So I'm going to have it affect a loop. Close this out. I'm going to pick the variable for it to work on to be the line item. You can choose other things down here, but I'm going to pick order created and line items because I want it to be I wanted to loop over all the line items in each order. You can customize a little bit more, but I'm just going to click done. And then after it loops, I actually do want it to send my orders to Google Sheets. So you have to add it in this last step here. You can use an existing Google Sheets document or create a new one. I'm going to use, I'm going to have it use an existing one right here. And so I'm going to authenticate it. Done. I'm going to tell it where to go. It's really important that you tell it where to go. You can add it to sheet 1 there. And then click done. And now you can always add another step if you wanted to, but I'm going to end it off right here. So we've got 3 steps: the order created, the loop, so you can add every line item, and then you can add it to Google Sheets. And now you want to make sure you save your changes. You can test it if you want to, and always remember to turn on your workflow, and because that tells Mesa to kind of set this workflow up and begin to roll. So you can see from my little confetti there that we're all good to go. Make sure you save it if you make any other changes. If you like this content, let me know what else you want me to build for you. And please don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll create more of these for you. See you soon on the next video.